If you are following me on YouTube, you probably already know that from time to time I add full onboards from the races, and they might be from 1.5 hours up to 6 hours or so. So if you are using GoPro, you already know that with just generic batteries it would be impossible, unless with such quantities I could exchange them during the ride. But considering that I'm racing and I don't want to have another headache in my head to replace the batteries on time, because I'm recording always without any stoppage, that's the way how I approached things with Powerbank on the GoPro. Basically, what you do is that you have chassis, you connect the camera, and then you have to do something with the power bank, where to place it, etc. In general, what you need to have is the open door bracket, which replaces the generic one. So generic one has the doors here, and this is replaced with another one, so that way you connect the cable here. So for the example purposes, we will have it here. You connect the camera to the cable, then you take some power bank, Tom 10 one, my branded. You can purchase it, not yet on the shops. Anyways, you just connect it, and basically you can record unlimited amount of time, unlimited to the degree what size your power bank is. I have two, so this one is that size and this one is the other. So this one is 4,000, this one is 5,000. So the current previous generation batteries of GoPro and the power banks of this size, you can record up to from 4 to 5 hours, 4,000 plus the battery, up to 4 hours or so. If it's 5,000 milliamperes, that way you can record it for 5+ hours. The only thing to figure out is where to put the power bank, as well as how to make sure that the camera is connected to the cable and it doesn't unconnect somewhat unexpectedly.
der Einsatz, genauso wie Marco. Jetzt ebenfalls ins Ziel gekommen ist Thomas.